how can we create a supportive environment at home without adding so much pressure? Because students are already under a lot of pressure.
Right. There should be an environment at home where, at least on the dining table, parents should get into the discussion, how is your academics going on? Not focusing on the outcome, but focusing on the process, how your teachers are teaching you, how you are liking your teachers, what are the things which are bothering you, can we help you? And the thing that I believe, okay, whenever, because every child is a different, somebody's child would be topper and somebody's would be at the last also. So I always believe someone should not work hard based on knowing what will be the outcome. Same with the parent. Parents should not have the discussion with the child based on outcome. Means when the result comes, then the discussion happens. The discussion should be on a daily basis. They should be reminded that I'm not giving you the resources. I'm not spending a lot of money on you to bring the only best result. We are expecting that you are enjoying the process. You are learning every single day. You want to attend the classes and you are following the process. Because eventually the whole game, if you look closely, is not about getting mark sheet, getting good mark sheet, or cracking competitive exams only. Because the people, those who are doing fabulously well in their life, are not always toppers. It's all of those students and individuals who have gone through the rigorous process of learning, have given their best. They didn't hide anything. So that kind of a relationship should be at home, where child is not hiding things from the parent, openly discussing what they are facing, what are their challenges in their schools or in their coaching institution. So if that kind of conversation happens, where the pressure is not of the result, the pressure is not of the outcome,
True.
then student opens up and parent get to know the real picture in real time. Otherwise, what happens, you will get to know the things after the results. So the in short, this should be an open discussion and daily discussion, at least having lunch or dinner wherever possible. That can bring the confidence in the student, okay, my parents are with me.